Here we go.
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
With the beautiful customers.
You actually turn yourself off. Bye bye.
So, init.
Hello. At the beach now.
Nagtabi kami mo patingin ng ano,
Oh.
swimsuit.
Can I take it?
Ah.
Thank you.
Isa dito. Eh, ito anak. Kasi madubli ang luwa kang bilat.
Hey, Lily.
Okay. This is a Talbot brother vlog now.
What do you have to say to your fans?
Yeah, we ride in that car park and then we can
Oh, that one.
practice driving.
Yeah. Hadi.
I'm good in driving.
Huh?
I think I'm good in driving.
Haven't been on the beach in so long.
Really?
Yeah. Can't remember last time I was on the beach. In nice weather.
Okay, you get in there, film you.
Film me.
Yeah.
Charlie doesn't even know how to swim, guys. Oh, he's dying! Don't go too far. It's on, yeah? Go on, show us what you've learned. Ray, he's swimming! He's swimming! Okay, you swim forward now.
I'm not
You swim forward. What is that? Okay, Charlie. Charlie still needs practice. Maybe we can go to the swimming pool so he can learn to swim in the pool.
I feel like I drowned like a million times. Never swimming again.
Learning to swim, you know, waves.
Yeah. It's such a nice little area. I would actually love to live here. It's so quiet. There's literally no one here, apart from a lady that owns the store. And look how pretty it is with the trees, the sunset's over there. It's like no one here, it's just us.
Tiyan!
Hello.
It's for free. Yeah.
Thank you.
Shout out to Ate Beng. Thank you so much for giving this vegetable and string beans and water. So guys, visit her in Esplanade San Jose Antique. Visit her store here. She sells bachoy, arroz caldo, and champurrado, pancit canton with a beautiful customer service and very good customer service, Ate Bing. Thank you, te. And she's single pala, guys. Just sit here. Mapatudlo pa ka na.
Yeah, it turned itself off. Alright, go faster now. Yeah, you drive on the road. Yeah, to the next car park. And then come back. Remember, right hand side.
Right hand side.
Yeah, you drive the road to the car park and then you drive back. Right hand side. Go. Yeah. You almost fall off. This side. There we go.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. Done now. Bye! Ready guys? Let's go! Go get it!
Oh, nice.
Yummy yummy fish balls. Yummy yummy fish balls.
I don't think they're called fish balls.
Oh,
The other ones are called fish balls.
what are these then?
Flower balls.
Oh. Well, that's fish balls. These are my favourite. Spicy ones. It's a good. All on the one bench. One big family. And Buddy, the dog. See Buddy. Hello. Buddy. Gonna go sleep now. It was so nice to be on the beach again, just for a little bit, even if it was just for a little bit, just to be in the water, and the water was warm. But anyways, the sun is setting, the day is coming to an end. But today's been good, been a little bit more productive. Went to the beach, learned to ride a motorcycle, kind of. Can't really see the sunset here. And even if you could, I don't think my camera would pick it up anyways. Anyways, here was the fit for the day. A bit late, but here it is. Yeah, I think we're gonna have dinner soon. I'm gonna make my own dinner tonight because I think they're having adobo, maybe chicken adobo. So I'm probably gonna make some like veggie, maybe bolognese. I might do that. That sounds quite good.
You practice
Doing a double dinner.
cooking.
Practice cooking workshop. Nice. You're joking, yeah. You want some?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
I want to try it.
I'll make you some. Oh, it doesn't work. Never mind. And I'm done. That's it.
So guys, in this house, this is our chef cook.
No.
I'm the cook, but this is the chef cook. And this one, come here. This is our janitor. And then this one is our manager.
Manager.
It's our chef cook.
Yum yum. Mmm. So rude. So this is the end of the vlog. I think it's quite a short one. I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna edit it now. I'm gonna see how long it is. Cause in theory I haven't filmed that much. Just that we went to the beach. Cause I had a fun day today. Went to the beach. Rode a motorbike. Went in the water. Almost drowned. What more could I want? It was like a proper holiday day, going to the beach, doing some fun activities, stuff like that. You know, it was nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Almost at 50,000 subscribers. Insane that my subscriber count has doubled since I've been here. Pretty much. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.
Stay like that.